what is up? It's your boy Lies, aka MotoBroo. We're at a new spot and there are some killers here. Let's freaking get it. Look at homie. Chilling. At 125? 250, damn. That's a big boy right there. Big boy, 250. You what? Ah. I don't know if it can wheel steer or not, so we're about to see. Oh, a little bit. I got a little bit. Hey, that was close, bro. Yeah. I don't know. He's like, in front of everyone. Scary. Hey, you almost shit yourself. No, I know. We got a turtle crossing the road, brother. Look at him flipping. I'm trying to save you, bro. No, not a turtle. We're just cruising, bro. The sun is going down. We got some shade. Thank gosh, because it was so hot earlier. Bro, but look at all these sands. Bro, I'm gonna hit that bit. That was so fun, bro. Oh, we coming in hot, bro. Yo! Oh my gosh! Did homie just scrape his head, bro? That was the gnarliest thing I've ever seen in my life, dude. What's up, girl? How you doing? Lars.
Right up 150?
150, yeah.
150, oh, I thought there was an 85.
150, all right, my dude. How you doing?
Yeah, 150.
Bro, we were on the other area. I didn't know this was a spot where...
Yeah, bro.
So this is where people be ripping?
Yeah, it's better over here because it's straight. What was that, the other one?
Yeah, like, you know, where it's like yeah, you know. Yo, homie scraped his helmet on that no hands. Y'all seen that? Bro, that's insane. What the fuck? Crazy. Let's go. We got the quad homies. Let's go. Hey, the helmet scrape. Crazy. Yeah. Hey. Yo, that helmet scrape, ridiculous. When you scraped your helmet, that was, I've never seen something like that. Insane. Yo, check out his helmet. He's the person you seen in the video who just he scrapes his head, bro. Yeah, that's insane, bro. How long you been riding for?
Like a year now.
Only a year? Damn, you're getting good fast.
More than a year. I've been scraping, no hands.
Huh? MotoBroo, yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you,
bro. We got the boy Sonny straight chilling on that bit. Bro, right when I came out, dude. Could you do one more? The head scrape, could you do it one more time? Yes, sir. We're getting it. Woo. Bro, that 450 is so scary. Oh my god. Look at that tire. It's just pulling left and right. No ways. Put it down. Put it down. Oh, you scared? Bro, it's so sick. We got open road here. I've never even been to this location, but it's a vibe, bro. Bro, look at all these sand dunes, dog. Woo-hoo! Oh, so sick, dude. Bro, the way he bounces on that quad is just insane. Yes, sir. Money. Money bag mo. Yo, you're crazy. Every time he does that, my mind is just blown. I'm like, are you kidding me? Let's go! You won't! You won't! Let's go. Yes, sir! It's so cool, like, seeing Sonny progress on that quad. AKA Banshee. It ain't just a quad now. God damn. Let's go. Someone's glasses, bro. She's shredded, bro. Let's go mobbing. Ah. Okay. Flossing. I wonder if they're sisters. I don't know.